Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are enjoying your holidays. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making simple banana bread recipe. This bread was so yummy, moist and soft. To make this banana bread, I'll start by mixing the dry ingredients in a bowl. I have in a bowl here 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I just added a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix everything together and set aside. You can add the nutmeg in place of cinnamon powder. You can also add milk if you want to. I'll set that aside and go to the next step. I have here 3 overripe banana. I'll peel and mash the banana. You can blend the banana if you want to. But here I'm using fork to mash it. I don't want it to be very smooth. I'll just mash it enough with the fork or spoon. This is well mashed. I'll go ahead now and add sugar to it. I'm using brown sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if that is what you have. But the brown sugar helps it in being moist enough. When the sugar is well dissolved, I'll go ahead and add other wet ingredients. I'm adding here 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of banana flavor. You can also use vanilla flavor. And I'm adding melted butter. I'll leave all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. Do check it out. When I mix everything together, I will then mix it with the dry ingredients, which is the flour, the cinnamon powder, and the baking soda, which I mixed earlier on. Pour it gradually and mix together. At this point, I've oiled my bread pan with some butter. I'm also preheating the oven at 230 degrees Celsius. So I'll now pour the butter into the pan. I'm just tapping the pan on the table so that the butter can spread evenly. I'll then take it to the oven and bake for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, our delicious banana bread is ready. To check if it is well baked, you can pierce a toothpick into it. If no butter follows it out, then you know that your bread is ready. And here it is, looking so nice, delicious and moist. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share my video, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all. Love you. Bye bye.